We'll now show you how to connect the vehicles. First, we always want to connect the vehicle that you're jump starting from. So the vehicle that you're getting a jump from, you want to connect to that one first. And always connect your negative first, then your positive. At this point, these jumper cables are going to be live. So you want to make sure that they don't touch each other at any time, because this could cause a spark. So what I commonly do is connect one to the other one, and this prevents the two from coming in contact with each other while I'm setting up my jumper cables. Now, with jumper cables, you want to have the best quality possible, preferably 4-gauge, very thick wires, and get them as long as you possibly can, because quite often you can't get your vehicles very close, and longer cables will give you a better opportunity to get a quick, easy jump without a whole lot of problems getting the vehicles together. Watch your next segment on connecting the cables to the dead vehicle or the vehicle needing to be jumped.